Hey guys, welcome back to Wings Lecture. This is Vetri. In this video, we are going to see about dictionary data type in Python. Already we have seen some kind of data types like tuple, list, set and all, right? And in the same way, a dictionary also have some special features. I'll name one by one. First, in dictionary, we will have a key, right? In list and tuple, we'll be having a index numbers, right? Index values to fetch the data and to identify, to locate the data, right? But when it comes to dictionary, we will be having a key value, okay? We will be having a key. For that particular key, we will be having the values, right? So it has some set of structure. We will see about it. And we can start with one simple example. Let me start. So I'm going to name my data type as data. So inside to that, what you have to do is you have to use the curly bracket for dictionary too. For set and dictionary we have to use curly brackets, okay? So inside to that I'm going to make my name. So whenever you are using a string, you have to keep single quote, okay? Name, use colon, and then type your name. So here too you have to use single quote and then keep comma for next data. So I'm going to keep my number, okay? Number, then use colon, and then for numbers it's not necessary to use single quote, so you can type any number, comma, and next I'm going to make gender. Inside to that I'm going to make male, then close the curly bracket, then click enter. So now I have created it. Let's see how. See here name is the key and Vetri is the value, number is the key and the number is the value, gender is key and male is value. So this is how we are going to create a data type, right? And instead of using the indexes, if we are using keys in data for storing the data, means it will be very easy to fetch the data. In some cases, if we have more than lakhs of data, means it's very difficult for us to locate the data by using index numbers. So it's very difficult to search particular element from the bulk database. But if we have keys in our hand, for example, you can go to any registration portals. There you will be having a labels like first name, last name, date of birth, age, and father's name, mother's name, address. Everything will be having a key. So why they are keeping the key means they can fetch your data accordingly as their need. So it's very easy to search particular element from the bulk data. So that's the important application of dictionary data type, okay? So let's start with dictionary operations, basic operation. We are having the same kind of operations when we already seen in list and tuple, okay? So let's start with simple examples. First I'm going to add I'm going to create one more data type, dictionary. I'm going to create student dictionary. See here. So first I'm going to add yes name, keep colon, Rahul, and then So it's a typical mistake. Don't forget to keep the single quote when you are using your string. Okay, and next I'm going to use a message for Rahul, or else his specialist, his specialization. We can keep interest Python. So it's created now, see. Okay, so here I have created one database with a name and his interest. Okay, so how can we, the next task is you can ask, sir, I already have two lists. One will have list of names and one will have their interests. So how can I merge these two lists into dictionary? So we have the option. So that's the special feature. I already mentioned that. Let's try. First we can create one student names. Okay, for list, what you have to use? You have to use square bracket. So inside to that, first I'm going to create one name Vetri, and then Mahi, and then Shiva, and then Yuvi. So here is the list, and next list I am going to create their interest accordingly. Let's keep area. Okay, so the area I'm going to create, I'm going to give a list of areas for that particular students. Vetri, Python, and for Mahi, Java, for Shiva, C#, and for Yuvi, HTML. So it's created now. So we can see here names, we have a list of names, and we have areas, we have list of areas. So how can we merge these two lists into a dictionary? So here we have the option. First make a name for that. We are going to create one new data, right? So it's going to be a dictionary. I'm going to keep that one as area of students. So it's my dictionary. Next, in that, first you have to keep the function name as dict. Is a short form of dictionary. Then create a circle bracket. Inside to it you have to use the function zip. So zip, which is nothing but this function is used to merge two data, or merge two any kind of data. Okay, you can use now. So first, which one you have to use, which you are going to use? Names. And then second one is area, right? That's it, it's merged now. Now check area of students. So here you can see that, right? So Vetri, Python, Mahi, Java, Shiva, C++, C#, Yuvi, HTML. So this is how it works. Yeah, now I already explained that you can fetch the data by using key values. So okay, so here what are the keys we are having? Vetri, Mahi, Shiva and UV. These all are the keys. So how can we fetch? So just type the dictionary name and then use square bracket inside to it. It's gonna be a key is the string value, right? You have to use a single quote and then type Vetri. So here Vetri is the key value. Then click, you'll get Python. So in same way you can use area of student inside to it. You can check UV. Yes, you can get it right. So this is how we have to start with dictionary, right? So these are the special features, and I hope you understood the basic logic about dictionary and its syntax and its special feature. Okay, and if you have any doubts you can ask, and if you have any comments you can comment in comment section. So thanks for watching, keep support, thank you.